Hi all. So today we are going to see how to reverse the integer number. So this is the most common question asked in all the interviews, and it's easy also. So we will start our coding with initializing of integer int number reminder that equal to 0, then reverse is also equal to 0. Okay, now we will ask the user to give the input, right? Cout, enter a number. Okay, cin number. Now we will have some loops. So this is the main part of the code. Okay, number should not be equal to 0 until then rotate the loop, right? Now what we will do is we'll want the reminder first, right? So rem equal to number module 10. Okay, so this will give the reminder of the number, right? Now what will be the reverse of that? Then reverse into 10 plus reminder, right? Agree? Now we will remove that reminder, right? And equal to 10. This logic will remove the reminder from the number, right? Now what we will do, we will see out the reverse integer number. Reverse number and add. Okay, oh sorry, it is not n here, it will be now. Yeah, fine, right? So we will enter 1 2 3, the reverse is 2 3 1. Okay, so this is the small program how to reverse an integer number. Hope you all enjoyed the video.